Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in playlist LeetCode 75, now we are looking into reverse words in a string. So this one we are given a string. Example, the sky is blue, and we need to return the string in a reverse order where the words are in reverse order. So blue is sky the. So first we are printing blue, then we are adding is, then we are adding sky, then we are adding the. So to solve this one, I'm going to take help of list. So why I'm taking list is, so what I will do is I will try to make a I will try to run a for loop, and there I'm going to find the each individual word and add that if I'm find that I found a word without any spaces, then I will add that one to our existing list. So how can we do that? Let's see. I will run a for each loop. So C is nothing but char, okay? First cancel C as a char in yes. So what we gonna do is we will check if C is not equals to space. If it is not equals to space, then I will add this C to our words. So what is word? Word is nothing but a string here. Okay, word is equals to empty string. First I'm taking empty string and then adding if the character is not space. Okay. If it is space, then what I will do? If it is space, then I will take that word and add that to our list and make the word to empty for next set of word. So after finding out what the then I move to sky, right? So by that time word should be empty. So that is my purpose. Okay. So after completing for each loop, what I will do is I will try to call this for each loop again. Like not loop. I will try to look through this particular list by using for loop here, and here I am taking list.count. If you observe what I'm doing is, let's say this particular thing is added to a particular list. Okay, list is, let's say list is equals to this one, and each word is added. Then what we need to do is we need to run through this particular list in backwards and add them to a particular string, then we will have a result. That is what my plan. So I'm taking a empty string and looping through this list in backwards, and then I will add I will append the particular word in the list to this result. And I will add one more thing, that is space. In between words we should have space. That is one thing. So that's it. This is my solution. It is having some problems. I'm not explaining intentionally, so I will first execute this code and then we will come to know what are the changes that we need to make. Okay, first submitted it. Okay, the very first problem is, so I just made the changes in IE, so we need to decrease it. So that's a small change. The very first problem here we can observe is we are adding. So if you observe, the sky is blue. We can see is sky, but we are missing the and blue. Why we are missing? So the problem here is, so at the end of this for each loop, we need to check if the word is empty or not. Why? Because we are not adding the last word to our list. That is a problem here. Okay, if you debug it, we will get to know. So that is one problem. And the next problem is, here you observe we are just adding till the greater than, here the condition is greater than 0. That means we are adding till the first index only. We are not adding the 0th index. I'm intentionally didn't add the 0th index. Why? Because if we make this particular uh, condition to this one, then we also have one more problem. That is, everything is fine, but we are having space at the end. That is because of this condition. So either we need to make the condition, add the condition here, or else I will just make a small change, that I will just add result. I will just append the list of 0th position value of our word to result. That's it. Yes, still we are having one more problem. This is also intentional. Why it is so? Why we have this problem is, so while adding the values to list, we need to check as like this. If you are checking if the word is empty or not, right? So in this condition also we need to check if the word is not equals to empty, not equals to empty, then only we should add. That is one more small condition, and that's it. I think we don't have any issues. Yes, it's fine. Let's try to submit it. Yes, it's good, it's working fine. It may not be very efficient, but still it is a good solution. It is a beginner solution. We can take it as a beginner solution, and it's working fine. So this is all about reverse words in a string. That's it for today. Thank you.